NILGIRIS in HD. Look at that ninja, oh my god. Done with our breakfast. Now the hill climb is gonna start. 22 guys climbing the hill together. This will be fun. This is Masinagudi, by the way. We are going to Coonoor. Coonoor is about 30 kilometers from Ooty. So we'll have to climb the hill now, 36 hairpin bends. And then another 1 hour of ride into the beautiful NILGIRIS.
A small town situated near the border of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, Masinagudi falls within the buffer zone of the Mudumalai National Park. Masinagudi is known for its rich biodiversity, lush greenery and wildlife. The region is nestled in the foothills of the Western Ghats, offering scenic landscapes and pleasant climate. The area is particularly famous for wildlife safaris and is home to diverse species of elephants, tigers, leopards, ghors, deer and various bird species. We realized the value of Masinagudi after we grew up, because there is no other place like Masinagudi for us, be it exploring the jungles of Moyar in the search of elephants or spotting spotted deers just near our resort.
And entering the NILGIRIS. Because of sunlight you won't be able to see the lush greenery, but I think post rainy season this place becomes a lush green haven. And start 36 hairpin bends. As we keep going on top, the weather keeps dropping because the elevation Ooty has, and NILGIRIS also. It experiences a very pleasant and cold weather in the nights throughout the year. That's why Ooty is considered the queen of hills. Doing the Ooty climb with the Afro Hunters boys would have been much fun, but everyone's busy sadly. We almost reached Ooty. NILGIRIS is famous for NILGIRIS trees. And the whole hill smells of Nilgiri oil. The weather has dropped at least by 5 degrees. And we have about 18 more hairpin bends to complete. In these roads, going fast is very risky because the downward traffic is high here. But technically, only localites are allowed to go down because outsiders, they don't let them go through this road. They have to take the behind road, which is at least 3 hours in time distance. Oh. Should have slept for only 20 minutes. I seriously need a bed. 30 now, 36. So 13 more left. These guys are like just stop for when it's really required. No scenery and bullshit. Ride and ride and ride. Jack struggles to climb hills. But the same hill is not made of tar but rocks. Please come at me, he says. Last 10 more to go. See, this is almost 90 degrees. Oh shit, what the fuck happened to this guy? My god. How would he even move that lorry, whatever that thing is called now? Look at the take here. I think by the looks of it, they've already reached, I guess. Claim dude. This guy is not going beyond 32 only. It feels like he's kinda locked himself. Come to Ooty, Singham. This is the main town of Ooty, 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹𝗶, or in other language, in their very own language, 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹𝗶𝗺. 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹𝗶𝗺. It's 10:50, so maybe around 45 minutes more, I guess. Now in some time we'll be able to see a lot of tea estates. Oh, look at that. Indian drivers have no basic decency also. Indicator, hand, something for fuck's sake at least. Nilgiris in HD. Mettupalayam, Coimbatore. I think this is the reason the guy who referred me, Mr. Abdul, told me to go on a breakfast ride first. These guys are ruthless, man. No stopping at all. 11 o'clock reach Coonoor, meaning reach there. We actually got delayed by maybe 20-30 minutes max, but still we were all on time. Ooh, look at the pine trees. The beautiful Nilgiris. I think we're in the last stretch of our ride, and my GoPro battery is also about to die. My body is acting very weird. I don't know what is happening. I'm extremely sleepy and tired, and my ass has become hard.
क्या गुंडा बनेगा रे तू?
Our homestay is called Day Rock, and it is on the way to the Dolphin's Nose in Coonoor. Look at the clouds settling down. It's cold here, cold. Oh, look at the fog. Fog.
And for gosh sake, watch your language.
Where is this place, man? In Dolphin Nose or what? Oh, weather is dipping here. I hope you go to the correct road. I don't remember any homestay this side. The leader is here. Hey, look at this TN43 hilltop. We reached. finally reached. Cute property.